How to print from iOS to an HP printer using Wi-Fi Direct. Print from your iPad or iPhone directly to an HP printer without a wireless network using Wi-Fi Direct. Turn on your printer or press the cancel button to wake it from sleep mode, and then get the Wi-Fi Direct name for your printer. For printers with a touch display, touch the Wi-Fi Direct icon or open the Wi-Fi Direct settings menu. The Wi-Fi Direct name and password for your printer displays. For printers without a touch display, printing the Wi-Fi Direct information varies depending on your model. Most HP printers will print the report if you press the information button.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts.
Press and hold the Wi-Fi Direct button for 3 seconds. Press the wireless and information buttons at the same time, or press and hold the resume, cancel, or resume button for 2 to 10 seconds. Review the printout for your Wi-Fi Direct name and password. If the printout indicates that Wi-Fi Direct is not turned on, follow the instructions to enable it. From your iOS device, tap Settings and then tap Wi-Fi. From the list of available networks, select your Wi-Fi Direct printer name and then enter the Wi-Fi Direct password. When connected to the printer using Wi-Fi Direct, your iOS device will not have internet access. Open the document or photo you want to print. If available, tap the Share icon and then tap Print. Select your printer and then tap Print. Your photo or document prints using Wi-Fi Direct. Reconnect your device to your wireless network after the print job completes.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.